Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Golden Freddy dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully he has some mercy on us, and he does not try to beat us up for what we have done to his brothers in the past, and him, guys, because we have met up with Golden Freddy before, guys, and it was not a pretty sight. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is 13 blocks of gold. You want to place 4 of them just like that, guys, right there. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on up and then place 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks of gold on this side. Then jump on down and do the exact same thing on this side, guys. And then you just want to go ahead and place 2 in the middle and then the 1 on the edge. And boom, you are finished, guys. Now you can go ahead and take a look at your absolutely amazing, beautiful frame you have just built. Now you just want to go ahead, hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button because I know you love these kind of videos, guys. Now you want to take your flint and steel and boom, light this baby up. Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and head on into this dimension. Hopefully this loads up quick, guys. Fingers crossed I am not a senior by the time this loads up. Wow, guys, this loaded up so quick I think I went back to babyhood, to be honest. Goo goo gaga is what ended up happening. But wow, that is word, guys. That is just freaky. Let me go and take that off of there. That was really freaky, guys. That looked really freaky. But let's go ahead and look around this place, guys, and see if we can find him. Whoa! What is this room right here, guys? This must be where the security guards watch all the footage and whatnot, guys. And oh my god, there's a diamond sword. They obviously knew I was going to need this for when I meet up with Gold Freddy. Hopefully, he does not kill us, guys. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything behind this picture. Wow, there's nothing behind there, guys. I thought maybe they would leave us like a safe of donuts or something. At least do that for us, guys, if we're going to be working in this absolutely terrifying dimension. Let's go ahead. There's nothing behind any of these pictures, guys. Like, nothing. And oh my god, we did a complete 360 and came back right where we was at. Let's go ahead and head through this tunnel system and see if we can find anything of any significance, guys. And oh my god, it's dark in here, guys. It is so freaking dark in here. Let's go ahead and head on out here, guys. And wow, I don't see anything out here. I wish I had a flashlight. We don't have a flashlight, so we really can't take it all in. I really wish that I did have a flashlight though, guys. I do have the brightness turned up to maximum, but right now I'm in like a really lit room, so like it's kind of hard for me to see, guys. It's kind of hard for me to see the nighttime scenes. So yeah, pig, just go ahead. And if you've ever had this problem, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, guys, to really show your support. I know you guys are epic. I know you guys are in the epic squad. And if you guys want to keep being epic, oh my god, don't do that. Don't do that. Do not look that man in the face. Oh my god. But as I was saying, if you want to stay epic, just make sure to subscribe, guys, because it'll keep you epic the rest of your life. But wow, boom, take that, bro. Take that, bro. Are you going to fight me? Are you going to fight me, bro? Are you cool? Are you cool, bro? Are you cool? Are you cool, bro? Let me go ahead and shut that back. I'm tired of seeing his face, guys. I'm really tired of seeing his face. You know what? I'm going to go ahead, scroll on down, turn this to normal difficulty, and let's head on back in. Are you cool, bro? Are you cool, bro? Are you cool, bro? You know what? I don't know if he's really cool or if he's just faking it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put some TNT in here, guys. Maybe he's forgiven us. Maybe he subscribed to the channel and liked this video. Or maybe he's just went mental, guys. I'm not really for sure. But let's go ahead. Let's put this TNT all in here. Light it up. Let me head on out. Let me shut that back. And hopefully this is going to explode. Oh my god, that was a massive explosion. Whoa. Wow. What is wrong with your face, bro? Like, why ain't you got no eyeballs or anything? It actually looks pretty cool. It actually does look pretty cool. I'm not going to lie about that, guys. His face does look pretty cool. But obviously, you know, he just wants to be friends with us. And I'm not really for sure why he wants to be friends with us. I mean, we are like one of the coolest people on, you know, YouTube and everything. But, you know, I guess that's why. But let's go ahead, light this TNT up, and see if our bro's gonna fly. Hopefully we go flying. Oh my god, we're flying! No, don't die! I knew I was gonna die, guys. I knew as soon as I took off in the air and came back down, I was gonna die. Like, wow. That's crazy, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video and that epic stunt, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.